Here's a 2012 Buick Enclave. Ample seating and storage, inviting interior space, and thoughtful technologies make this Enclave the inevitable choice for an SUV. Plus, it offers an exciting list of features: AM/FM Sirius XM satellite radio, power heated mirrors, front heated leather bucket seats, auto dimming rear view mirror, Bluetooth, dual zone climate control, V6 engine, aluminum wheels, gas pressurized shocks, and automatic transmission. Motor Trend writes, "The Enclave stands out for its quiet ride. There's something to that quiet tuning marketing speak. The Enclave gets several things at the factory that its intra-divisional counterparts don't: an acoustic laminated windshield and front door side glass, special damping materials on the underbody, and triple door seals and engine mounts. You don't have to raise your voice much to be heard by any passenger." Buick. Expect more than you'd imagine. Someone's going to drive this fantastic vehicle off the lot. It should be you. Test drive it today.
Choose Sheboygan Auto. We're conveniently located at 3400 South Business Drive or at 2701 Washington Avenue in Sheboygan, Wisconsin. SheboyganAutos.com.